Hello, today we shall be unwrapping slash unboxing SpiderMan for the PS4. So, without further ado, shall we begin? So, before we actually unwrap slash unbox it, here is the cover, only on PlayStation. Game of the Year Edition, SpiderMan, rated T. And then let's see what that says without the glare. Yep, nope, just gonna blind everybody. Sorry. Says, includes Marvel's Spider-Man, the City That Never Sleeps DLC with additional missions and challenges. Expires 2022. So let's take a look at the spine. PS4, Marvel, Spider-Man. And this is the back. Be greater, shows Spidey there. The Spider-Man game we've always wanted. One of the best games on the PS4, period. And then it shows some stills from the game. It's one player, 45 GB minimum, DualShock 4, PS4 Pro enhanced. It is rated T for blood, drug references, language, violence, and mild suggestive themes. So let's get that wrapping off, at least try to. There we go. Ooh, it's not sticking to the spine, that's nice. So down the garbage disposal. And then, yep, nothing on the spine, that's nice. And then this is what the inside looks like, so we're gonna flip it around now. So when you open it, this is what you're greeted with. I really like the disc art for it. And then that is the code on the other side, so we'll put that over there. And then it has a Spider-Man logo. And then it has the spine as well, Spider-Man. And then if we take off the, take out the disc. That's the picture that you're greeted with. Spider-Man. Da-na-na, na-na-na. Da na 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 na. So that was my unboxing slash unwrapping for Spider-Man on the PS4 Game of the Year edition. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe so I know to keep making more of these. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next video.